since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut up my wrist. Exotic all over my body. Oh, shit is swollen, I don't